Hi, Riddle here. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be super cool. It's going to be about eating flowers. So it's just kind of fun. It's going to be aesthetic flowers, but also flowers that come up from your actual vegetables. When we're invited to dinner, as you can already guess, because we have such an amazing organic garden, people usually ask us to bring the salad. And when I bring a salad, I bring on a salad. I really make an amazing salad. And one of the things I like to do is add flowers into the salad. Flowers can be incredibly nutritious if you think about all the elements that a flower is, getting ready to make seeds. And because of the colors, probably carries a lot of beta carotene and vitamin C and things like that. And they smell and taste pretty delicious. So often when I use things like this, which is my arugula bolting, people say, oh, I didn't know you could eat those. Well, what is broccoli? What is cauliflower? All it is your vegetable flowering. So another thing that you can use, pea blossoms, they're delicious. They actually taste just like a pea. And they look beautiful in a salad. Nasturtium, of course, I've got all different colors of nasturtium, which actually have a peppery flavor, which adds a totally different, perspective, element, layer to the salad. And any kind of, this is a kale that's starting to flower. And look how pretty that is. But it also tastes just like kale, and it's got a great texture. And then you can make something really beautiful and share it with friends, and it's like eating beauty. It's like eating art. Now, of course, there are some flowers that are not edible, but you need to do your own research. If you're growing poisonous flowers, you should know about that anyways, especially if you have pets or kids. But everything I showed you just now, including the roses, are very, very edible. So eat your flowers. They're fun, they're nutritious, they're delicious, and they just make life a little more beautiful and a little more cool. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. If you enjoy my quick, interesting, money-saving videos, please subscribe. It helps. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other.